Hi, I am Dr. Nicole Machinski, and I'm the owner and executive director of Dr. Lowey Associates. So I'm going to come on in a few days and do another video where I tell you what we do as a larger group, as a practice. But I wanted to talk a little bit today about what I do specifically. I get lots of questions about that. So I'm a licensed psychologist and I practice forensic psychology. Forensic psychology is a broad term that just kind of refers to the intersection of psychology and the law. The way that I practice forensic psychology is that I evaluate people who are involved in the justice system for a wide variety of different reasons and provide an expert opinion to the court about them. That's the bulk of what I do. So a lot of times that's people who are involved in criminal cases. So I'll do evaluations for things like competency to stand trial, or I'll provide evaluations post-conviction but pre-sentencing to help assist judges and juries to understand how risky a person is. And that will help them in making decisions about whether or not that person can be in the community or they need to be someplace more secure, things like that. I also do evaluations for civil matters pretty frequently. And so a lot of times when we think about someone who's injured in an accident, we think about the physical injuries that they might sustain, but there's also an emotional distress component that often comes along with having some kind of major accident or injury, or people experience post-traumatic stress disorder. And so I'll be asked to evaluate individuals who are in the midst of a lawsuit as a result of some kind of catastrophic event and provide an opinion about the veracity of their claim of emotional distress and the severity of it. You know, how much it's impacting their life or their functioning. And then that's utilized by attorneys in the kind of negotiation process of getting their clients compensated for the injuries that they sustain. In addition to that, I do a lot of evaluations for family courts for a whole host of different reasons. People will be asked to have psychological evaluations as a result of their involvement in the family court system. And that's the bulk of what I do as a forensic clinical psychologist. I do lots of evaluations for other reasons as well that are not involved with the legal system. So just kind of evaluating individuals and providing most appropriate diagnosis and treatment recommendations based on making sure that we get the accurate diagnosis for people. So that's what I do, and I'm eager to tell you a bit more about the practice in general next time. Take care.